So hey friend, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can set the ringtone of any music on your iPhone on the latest iOS 26 version if Apple have provided it officially. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply first of all save that particular audio file or the music file that you want to set as your ringtone on your iPhone in the Files app. For example, if I saved let's say this particular reel audio, and now if I want to set it as the ringtone for my iPhone, I just simply press and hold that particular file, and here you'll see this option of share. Once you click on this option of share, here just simply click on this option of more, and when you click over there, here you'll see this option of use as ringtone. Just simply tap over there, and here it will open the settings, and here you'll see it is added as the ringtone on my iPhone without using any third-party application. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.